Del here, and today we're going to be talking about what to do in case you misplace your tuner or it breaks or you don't have it available. One alternative is to tune off of a keyboard. So most of the notes we're going to be using are going to be in what they call the C4 register, C4 middle C. So let's start with the bass string E, and then the A440, and then the D, okay, then the G, and we're going down to the third. Try the third register on this G. So. And then we'll try the B, going back up to the still in the third register on the B. And then we'll go for this high E. We'll use the same key for the high E. And another way is once you've got one string tuned, you can tune the guitar to itself, and that's by fretting at the 5th fret. And because this next one is a major third rather than a fourth, you got to move over a fret. And then back to the 5th. And there it is. Easy peasy. It's one way of doing it, and it's not always this easy. Sometimes if the guitar is really out of tune, you have to know your upper notes from your lower notes and know which way to go. But these tuners are all in a row here. It's not like on an acoustic where you have to go half on this side and half on the other. It's just this style guitar. It's all the same way to turn the note up. So that's another way of doing it. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe.